Hi and welcome. In this video, we will explore the new exciting release in Microsoft Excel, which is Python integration to Excel. Are you aware that beyond just writing Python in Excel, Copilot is also coming to enable what you can do with this new integration? But first, in this video, I'll be sharing with you what this update is all about and the sample of the things you can do with Python right in Excel. Wow. So data analysts using Excel can now start transitioning to data scientists or data science because this feature is going to enable them to build machine learning model. Beyond that, clean data, more visualizations, in-depth analysis, and a lot can be unlocked. So in this channel, I'll be walking you through this journey, how you can transition from just a business person or data analyst that is used to Excel to learning Python and using Python within Microsoft Excel. This is going to transform your career. So why not subscribe and also like this video so that we can keep on doing this and learn and grow together. Okay, back to the highlight of this video. Let me share my screen with you and we can get started. We're right in Excel and on the formula bar you see the Python integration icon there. Let's go to my account and check what channel I'm running. I'm on the beta channel and that is where this feature currently is as at the time I'm recording this video. Okay, let's go back to the formula bar and try the Python samples. It comes with a Python documentation which you can actually open and few of those things that we'll be playing with. First, describing data with Panda. When you click on this, what it simply does is import a sample data called iris data set and load this data into a data frame called sample underscore df. And that is the formula that does those magic. I mean, turning this data into Python object data frame. And how do we describe and get this table that I have here? As simple as sample underscore df dot describe. Describe function gives us all the things that we have right here. By just single line of code, we can get this kind of result. That's really pretty amazing. You can also change it from just a Python, Excel output to a Python object. Python object will save you space and you can store those things there and you can also preview them either with array preview or click on that card and you will see this data frame that is showing you a preview. Amazing shout out to Anaconda that work with Microsoft to make this integration possible. The next we have is scatterplot. Scatterplot can help you observe the potential association or relationship between two or more variables. And right here, by clicking on this, it also import the same data set and show you what was done to get this done. Right here, for me to enlarge this chart, I need to expand the cells, the rows, and the column where this chart was dropped. You cannot just expand the chart like that. And in the formula bar, you see matplotlib was imported. That was the library used to plot this. And within that, I have to specify what kind of chart I want to plot, which is scatter plot. And we have this chart. Let's move on to the next, which is correlation matrix. Correlation evaluates the association between two or more numeric variables, and it's also easy peasy here because it's just as simple as import your data into your sample df, and if you want to get the correlation, just put sample underscore df dot call and say only numeric variable, and it's going to plot the correlation matrix for you, which is what we have right here. Now you can see how this evolve across all the variables. Next is pair plot. There are many scenarios where you want to plot chart for multiple variables at the same time. You want to see how they vary across each other. We've done that for scatter plot for just two variables, but now we are doing it for multiple variables. Amazing. So what is being done here, we're going to use Seaborn library. And we've used matplotlib just to let you know there's so many library that comes pre-installed with this integration. Seaborn library, and we've imported our data right there from the formula bar. The next is pair plot. sns.pairplot, and you set all the variables you need within that data frame. It's really that easy. But these variables here are numeric, and we can see everything being plotted right here on this multiple chart. You can see the relationship. The last here is linear regression. I haven't talked about correlation. Regression is the relationship between two or more variables, the predictor and the output. And how do we get that here with this Python integration? There are many ways, but the easiest way with just one or two lines of code is to leverage the SNS, the Seaborn library. And within that, you can plot a scatter plot and then superimpose a linear regression line. And that's what is being done right here. We import SNS Seaborn library. We store the data in sample data frame and we plotted a reg plot, regression plot, and specify the variables we needed. The y, the x variable is separate length, the y variable is petal length, and right there we have this. Awesome. Can you imagine how excited I am, walking you through this? Really, really, I'm really, really excited. And I want you also to pay attention because these have potential of changing the way you work using Microsoft Excel. Right on this channel, I have videos that can show you how to enable this feature. It's in beta release, so you can also enjoy and play with it and get to know and learn how to use this. I also have a video that shows working with a sample data set, what you can do outside what I've shown you now, and many, many more videos to come. So why I will encourage you to subscribe and also like this video, and let's keep this going on because we're going to grow together, we're going to co-learn together, and that is how you keep being relevant and not miss out of these important technological shifts that we're experiencing in this age. Okay, so bye for now.